Hey everybody, it's Charlie from Daily Motor, and we've got a little fun one for the classic Daily Motor followers, because not only do we have Mr. Chris Brower here with us, but we also have Matt from Downshift. Dole, don't be looking at,
don't tag Dole.
Allegedly, here. So we're gonna just go out for a quick whip in one of our favorite vehicles on the market that is unfortunately going away here after the 2024 model year. It is the Jeep Wrangler 392, featuring the 6.4 liter V8 motor. The Hemi, that's not really a Hemi, but they call it a Hemi. This is the final edition. And how much does this cost, Chris?
109 grand.
And it's worth every penny.
Yes, it is, because otherwise, the Wrangler, I think, and you told me there were no mosquitoes over here, and there was one on my face again. But anyways, I think the Wrangler's insufferable. But in this
Allegedly.
in this form, it's okay.
Yes, and we're gonna hop right in and show you why, because we are all about cars of character here at Daily Motor, and this car has about as much character as you can have.
This car has all the character, and enough character to make up for any deficiencies it has.
Don't flip that.
Can you remote start it from inside the car?
Probably.
That's a great question.
Oh,
Your door is open.
try it.
It's kind of silly.
Just inconveniencing yourself on purpose.
Now you two have driven...
Oh, that's interesting.
I didn't... You two have driven this recently, right?
Yes.
Okay. So is this the only drive mode I need to know about?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
that's exactly it.
Ooh, final edition. That's
Exhaust mode on. So we already have beeping happening. I guess our park sense is off. Okay.
And you've got the optional sky roof open.
Yes, that is part of the reason that this one costs a lot of money.
Watch out for the alchemy.
The Alchemy.
The other 392 that's rolling around here. You know, these models have been so successful for Stellantis. Why are they killing them all off? Is it because of the Environmental Protection Agency?
I think it's for political reasons. Yeah.
Is it because of Biden or Obama?
I think it's for political reasons.
Okay.
Thanks, Obama.
Thanks, Obama.
No more V8s. Thanks, Obama.
Yep, pretty much. So what you need to know about this is you push the shifter to the side.
We have to tell them this is the ZF 8-speed automatic.
Yes, which is Chris's favorite transmission because it farts. And the rest of the drive will just be that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
literally.
what you have to do with these is they have a little bit more of a self-preserving tune on this 8-speed. So you have to kind of pull the paddle about a second before you want the gear to change.
See, that's the pro type of tips you come for here at Daily
Yeah,
Motor.
so with the other Stellantis vehicles with this powertrain setup, paddles are pretty instant. In this car, they're delayed. Kind of like every other input in the Jeep Wrangler.
Yeah,
So,
a little bit of delay on a lot of things.
constantly steering, constantly thinking about when you're going to pull that paddle.
Right.
There's a little bit of delay in pretty much every input. Your
Yes.
steering input is going to be a half second. Your throttle input, half second.
Yep.
Brake.
Gear change, brake, yeah, all of it.
You just need to be a fortune teller
Yeah, a little bit.
to drive
But
one.
that's the endearing character, I think.
Oh, absolutely. This is a car that's better because it's worse.
100%.
We got the motor. I'll shift for you.
Oh, thank you. There you go.
Big nosedive under braking. Matt's like, I regret coming with.
I'm going to be honest with you, my butt did leave the seat at that point.
same.
So it'll do dune bashing. You can launch it, you can jump it. It's basically a Raptor fighter.
There you go. Yeah.
Pretty quick for what it is.
It's exactly as quick as you'd want it to be, because if it was too fast, you wouldn't get to be on throttle and be hearing the V8 motor for as long.
That's right.
100%.
So we're going to stop here
Good
for a moment.
turning circle
Yes, it
as you drive into the ditch.
It can do that because
That's
it's
the
a Jeep.
joy of the Wrangler. That's the Rubicon part coming in.
Yes. Oh yeah, because this is a Rubicon as well, right?
That's right.
All right. So just in case the audio was horrendous with the sky roof open, we've got it closed.
Unleash the motor.
acknowledge how long that took to slow down? That was full braking.
That was full lock?
Yes, I was ABS.
Oh my God.
From the back seat, I could feel it
That's
squirming back
terrible.
here.
If we were coming toward a deer, we would simply be with the deer.
The deer would be vaporized for sure.
I think our jump is going to be interrupted by this XM or GV8, whatever this is. We should
This
go
is
race.
better than that.
Yeah, oh, 100%. So the reason we took this car out, obviously this isn't a full real review or anything, but we're out here at the Midwest Automotive Media Association Drive, a little collection of vehicles out here in Wisconsin, which is the home state of Downshift Media.
That's correct.
And just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a throwback to when Chris and I got to screw around and do videos together and make jokes about Stellantis products, because they have character. That is one thing you cannot deny.
They have it in spades.
Yep. If you do want to see a slightly more serious review of the 392, you have many options. You could either check the link below to go back into the Daily Motor archives and see some of our previous videos. You could see Topher Drive's newest review on the 392. Has that been published yet? Well, I won't be getting to this anytime soon.
Yeah, my video's been up for a few months.
Okay. Or you can go to Downshift. Are you just Downshift on YouTube now?
It's just Downshift.
Just Downshift.
And we abuse that thing in a bunch of snow off-road. And it's very, very fun.
Yes.
You're not Downshift Mike anymore?
Not anymore. No one cared.
We might be louder than some of the cars that are on the track.
I think we are. And you get more of a crack.
That is just really something. I did get bit by another mosquito. Look.
You must just taste better than me.
Thank
I
you.
think so. See, now a couple months ago,
I can
we
start
had
the
the
video.
Bronco Raptor that we took around the Motorplex. We didn't set a time, but I could go back and watch the footage, and I would love to see how this competes with the Bronco Raptor on a racetrack.
Yeah, this
I
should
think
be
that's
on
what
the
people need.
this should be on the autocross.
I agree. KO2s on a track.
Yep.
That's what everyone wants to see.
She's very nervous. Wouldn't want to have an accident here.
What a delightful
This is the
vehicle.
best car ever.
Yeah, this surprising it didn't win Daily Motor Car of the Year. Can't imagine why. Probably because Chris is not a big fan of the Wrangler in general, and it would have to win as a
Oh yeah, no, this is the only Wrangler that I like.
yeah.
I just drove the Gladiator and it was really...
It was excellent, he said. Right, so thank you all so much for watching. If you do want to see more, like I said, check the link below. These guys have some good videos, and now we have one here as well. Man, this one got dirty. And shout out to Jeep for ending what was one of the best cars on the market. This will probably be some sort of 600 horsepower electric vehicle in a few years.
And it won't make any of the noise.
No, not at all.
And then we'll all be very sad.
Yes. And we'll see you on the next one. We're Chris, Matt, and Charlie with Daily Motor, and as always, V8 motor on.